Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unarchive chat in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now press on Archived option. Here you can see your archived chats. If you want to unarchive it, you just have to long press on it. Then press on this undo option. That's it. So this is how to unarchive chat in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.